G'day team, we are down here in our favourite place, Sharp Park in the Gold Coast hinterland, and I have Ranger Nick with me, Australia's #1 bush cook. Mate, taking a look at your radio recipes collection, and we turn to page 23, we're going to see egg and cheese soup. Tell me, looks like a pretty good one for a cold day.
Mate, great on a cold day. You fix your runny nose with this one.
Yeah.
Really quick and easy. So if you want a quick soup, quick fix, got a head cold or whatever, beautiful way to go about it.
You can't just do this on the camp oven or on a hot stove. You can do it at home on the electric or on the gas.
Mate, you can do it anywhere. Any heat source will cook this one.
Oh, let's get into it, buddy.
Let's do it. So I've got some warm water in here. You can see the steam coming off it. I don't want this to boil.
Why?
I don't want it to boil because I'm going to put raw egg into it, and the raw egg will come out in pieces. You watch. Right. Look and learn, Paul. Look and learn. This is a great one. So I'll end up using about 1 litre of fluid. So we'll just throw a bit of stock in there to make up 1 litre of fluid. We'll mix that through. I'll get my heat back into it there. And what I'm going to do is take a ladle full and just pop it into a bowl, just like thus. We're going to take our cackleberries there, Paul, so we'll drop a bum nut in.
Using the whole egg, mate?
Yep, using the whole egg, plop them in there. Wunderbar. What a great job, mate. You'd think you'd done it before. Just pop them yolks and just whisk that up.
Yep, I can do that. What else you got?
You whisk that, you get that happening. We've got the heat going into that. I'm waiting for you, mate. There's not much there's not much else we can do there. Or actually, what we'll do is we'll add that extra ½ litre.
Yeah.
And we just want that to get warm, start to see the steam coming off it, but not bring to the boil. We don't want this to come to the boil.
How's that, mate?
That's looking sweet.
Yeah, just like that, that's it?
Just like that. Look at you go.
It's all right.
So whisk that egg up like Paul's done there. That's not quite hot enough to drop it in yet. We'll wait for a bit of heat there. All right, so see, Paul, now we're starting to get that bit of steam. The water's hot, but I don't want it to boil. Now watch the magic happen as I just whisk this egg in. So slowly pour the egg in, whisk it vigorously. There's another word for the day, vigorously.
Wow, look at that.
I'm sure you've heard it all before, but there's a vigorous.
Okay, so there's the egg.
So there's the egg stirred into that soup.
Do you have to keep stirring that now, Nick?
Yeah,
So it doesn't
no, that should be pretty right now.
Okay.
All right, and what you'll get is all particles. See the little bits of egg floating through it?
Yeah, right, yeah. Is that because I didn't whisk it well? Or is
No,
that
no, that's because as it hit that water, it started to cook.
Oh, okay.
So because we're whisking it, it breaks it all up and you get that nice fine egg through the soup.
Yep.
Yeah, see it there floating around?
Yep.
Like little tadpoles in a puddle.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. All right, then we're going to add our egg noodles.
Yep.
So the egg noodles go in.
Smelling good as it is, mate.
Oh, mate, this is so easy to do. Often when I get home and I'm not feeling on top of things, don't feel like cooking, throw a quick soup together.
Yep.
Got something to go to bed on without a heavy stomach.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
I understand that. Yeah.
And we're going to throw in some palmy cheese. So I'd reckon about a handful.
Look at that.
So about that much palmy.
Yep.
We'll just let that come to a heat. We don't want it to boil, but we want a nice hot.
Yep.
And that's ready to serve.
All right, Nick, egg and cheese soup, mate. Let's give it a dash, a splash in the bowl.
Righto, so let's get a bit out of there. Look at this, look at this. Look, look. You can see the egg all through it.
I can.
Noodles all through it.
Yeah.
Really simple, really quick and easy.
Yep.
And I think you'll believe, quite a tasty soup.
Oh, wow. Yeah, nice.
Quite surprising, isn't it?
Yeah, nice bit of salinity in there from that chicken stock. The eggs, you know, it's just perfect. I can't even taste the egg, to be honest with you.
Egg gives it a bit of body,
bit
of protein.
Yeah, righto. Yep. Okay.
Keeps it regular.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else?
Yeah. Makes you musical.
Egg and cheese soup, everybody. Give that a crack. Yeah. Want a nice easy dish at home, or if you're out camping, good on you, Nick.
Yep, one the kids will love too.
Yeah, I love it.
Tell me your kid doesn't like noodles.
Absolutely.